Welcome to This Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled you're tuning in today because we are mapping out the explosive and honestly highly lucrative 2026 AI job market. If you've been wondering how to navigate this wild landscape, where the best opportunities actually are, and how you can position yourself to grab them, well, you're in exactly the right place. Let's just dive right in. $900,000. Yeah. When I first heard that number, I genuinely thought it was a typo or maybe just science fiction. But nope, it's very real. Right now, top companies like Netflix are posting AI positions with total compensation packages hitting up to $900,000. Over at Meta, they're known to offer packages worth literally millions over a few years to their top AI researchers. The stakes here are absolutely massive, and the demand for talent, it's drastically outpacing the supply. So here's our roadmap for today. First, we're going to cover the AI gold rush. Second, the top AI career paths. Third, your AI salary timeline. Fourth, exactly how to break in. And finally, we'll look at the future of AI. All right, let's start with Section 1, the AI gold rush. We are currently in a market where the need for skilled professionals is growing exponentially faster than universities can even produce them. The old way of thinking was that you needed some elite PhD from a top-tier university to even get your foot in the door. But the reality in 2026, it's completely different. Targeted professional certifications and hands-on deployed portfolios are unlocking these premium roles for a much wider range of people. Employers care way more about what you can actually build and ship than the fancy name on your diploma. And there's immediate tangible value to this shift, 21%. Research shows that professionals who have AI skills earn a 21% premium over their peers who don't. And here's the best part. You don't even need a formal AI job title to see this bump. Just having the competencies increases your earning potential right now. Moving right along to Section 2, top AI career paths. To kind of demystify exactly what roles are out there, we can look at the two main camps in the AI landscape. On one side, we have the builders. These are your deep learning, machine learning, and computer vision engineers. These roles require deep technical expertise, complex math, and heavy programming. But then, on the flip side, we have the strategists. Think AI product managers, business development managers, and AI ethics officers. The absolutely crucial takeaway here is that coding is not the only way into this industry. If your background is in business, management, or strategy, there is a highly lucrative spot for you. Then we have a third distinct group, the visionaries. We're talking about AI research scientists, AI architects, AI consultants, and chief AI officers. These are the folks guiding enterprise-wide adoption. They're managing massive tech budgets, leading giant teams, and pushing the very boundaries of what machine learning can actually do. They're basically the essential bridge connecting cutting-edge research to the corporate boardroom. Let's zoom in on one specific, super accessible role that has just exploded recently, the prompt engineer. This is a specialist who designs and optimizes inputs to guide large language models, making sure we get the exact outputs we want. It's this really cool blend of deep domain knowledge and AI communication. Demand for this specific skill has surged by over 135% this year alone. It's a fantastic entry point if you've got strong logical thinking and communication skills, especially if you pair it with expertise in fields like law, marketing, or healthcare. Okay, Section 3, your AI salary timeline. Let's talk numbers and see how a career actually progresses over time. We can map it into 4 nodes: entry, mid, senior, and expert. What you really need to grasp here is the sheer velocity of the growth. The biggest salary jumps in AI happen in those first 5 years. It is incredibly common to see your compensation literally double or even triple as you move from an entry-level foundation to a mid-level role where you're owning projects end to end. Let's get into the hard data on this. An entry-level machine learning engineer might start somewhere around $85,000 to $120,000. But fast forward to the expert level, say 10 plus years of experience, and you're looking at base salaries of $250,000 to over $400,000. And remember, that is just base compensation. When you factor in equity grants, bonuses, and benefits at those senior levels, total compensation can easily push past $500,000. It's truly wild to think about. Of course, where you live does play a role in your take-home pay. Tech hubs like the San Francisco Bay Area and New York still lead the pack in peak compensation. However, the remote roles are really interesting right now. While remote positions historically paid a bit less, that gap is rapidly shrinking. Remote roles offer incredible geographic arbitrage, meaning you can earn top-tier salaries while living in an area with a much lower cost of living. Which brings us to Section 4,
How to break in.
So, how do you actually get a piece of this pie? If you're a career changer or a recent grad, here's your actionable 3-step blueprint. Step 1. Earn targeted professional certifications from reputable providers. Step 2. Build deployed portfolios. Get your projects onto platforms like Hugging Face, jump into Kaggle competitions, and populate your GitHub. Employers want to see your code working out in the real world. And step 3. Stack AI plus skills. This just means combining AI with whatever your current discipline is.
There's a quote from our source material that just hits the nail on the head. The fastest path to higher compensation is often adding AI skills to your current expertise rather than starting completely fresh. If you're currently a tech professional, a product manager, or a marketer, please don't throw away your years of experience. Adopt an AI plus approach. Become an AI-empowered product manager or an AI-fluent data analyst. That combination is exactly what employers are paying massive premiums for right now.
Finally, Section 5, the future of AI. So where is this whole industry heading? And why is taking action right now the most strategic move you can make for your career? Well, AI employment is projected to grow at an astonishing 10.8% annually through the year 2030. That far outpaces almost every other profession globally. The professionals who position themselves inside this growth wave right now are going to experience unparalleled career security and financial upside. And as the field grows, we're already seeing new niches forming. There's incredible demand emerging for specializations like constitutional AI, multimodal AI engineering, and AI safety, which is all about ensuring models operate securely without causing unintended harm. These are the cutting-edge areas that will undoubtedly command the next wave of massive premium salaries. By building a strong foundation in AI today, you're giving yourself the agility to pivot into these high-paying niches tomorrow as they mature. The compensation opportunities available right now represent a genuine once-in-a-generation chance to dramatically accelerate your earning potential. Whether you see yourself as a builder, a strategist, or a visionary, the absolute key is to take action today. Start earning those certificates, build up that portfolio, and stack those skills. So I'll leave you with this. Looking at the massive landscape we just mapped out, what AI career path are you most interested in pursuing?